I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for weighing balance. After cleaning, visually inspect the weighing balance for any physical damage. Check the display function for blinking if any. Keep the weighing balance for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 23 plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be 23 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Barometric pressure is 1000 plus minus 15 HPa and humidity should be 40 to 60% RH. For calibration, we will use weights as reference instruments. I will calibrate the weighing balance for 3 tests, namely linearity test, eccentricity test and repeatability test. This is a digital weighing balance having range 0.2 to 5200 grams and 0.01 gram resolution. This is called pan. This is leveling screw. And this is display of the balance. Leveling screw is used for leveling of balance. Before proceeding for calibration, ensure that the balance is leveled properly. Keep the balance to stabilize as per the balance internal process. Now press the tare button and make the reading 0. Now I am performing linearity test. In this test, we should perform calibration at minimum 10 calibration points covering the whole range. Here I am demonstrating calibration at 500 grams. I am putting 500 gram reference weight on the center of the pan of balance. Now wait for stabilizing. In the worksheet, note down the reading shown by the balance against the reference standard weight. In the same way, we can take the readings for all other points as per given method. Now I am performing eccentricity test. Select single reference standard weight nearly 1/4 to 1/3 of the range of balance. Here I have selected 1000 gram weight. Place reference standard weight exactly in the center of the pan of the balance. Take 1000 gram reference weight and place it on the center of the pan of balance. Now wait for stabilizing. Note down the reading shown by the balance for the reference standard weight that is on the center of the pan. Remove the weight from the pan and press tare button. In the same way, we can take the reading for front left, back right and front right of the pan as per given method. Now I am performing repeatability test. Select reference standard weight nearer to the full span of the weighing balance under calibration. In our case, I have selected 5000 gram. Press tare button to make the reading 0. Now take 5000 gram reference weight and put it on the center of the pan of balance. Wait and allow it to stabilize. Note down the reading shown by the balance for reference standard weight put on the center of the pan of the balance. Repeat the steps 9 times and record the observations in the worksheet. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of weighing balance for one point is completed for this training purpose. You have to do this for all the points as per the method.